Hey friends, if you encounter the error 0x0000001c PFN reference count blue screen error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first solution is to update the network drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Now expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek one and update the drivers. The next one is to scan for malware. Okay, and how would you do that? So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command MRT and hit enter. This will open the malware removal tool. Click on next, select full scan, click on next and let it scan through. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution is the check disk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk space / r space / f. Press Y and hit enter once again. The last one is to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. So search for Windows Memory Diagnostic in the Windows search bar and open it. And click on restart now and check for problems. I'll tell you the interesting thing about the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. This tool is basically used to check issues with RAM, unlike other tools which check with other components. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.